you want to make better and faster decisions, I'm going to tell you how a Foursquare can do that. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should use it. The first reason is easy to make and easy to use. What you do is you draw a square and then you draw a horizontal line and then you draw a vertical line, and they're going to cross in the middle, and you are not going to have 4 sections. On those 4 sections, you're going to label important, very important, kind of important, and then also no, no way, no how. And you're going to categorize things like this. And so if you're doing organization, you can use this to categorize the things you want to do first and things you want to do last and the things you want to clean. And how you do that is you look at all the things that you're trying to do and you decide, is this really super important essentials? Like, hey, I need to clean out my house. I have to do spring cleaning is the most important thing, because at the end of this whole thing, I'm going to move. That goes in the very important category. Then you have the important category, which is like, hey, I kind of want to clean up this room. It's not super important. I need to get into doing it. I know it needs to get done. And that can be at this time or can be at a little later date. Then you get to, hey, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this room. Maybe I'll do this. Maybe I'll rearrange it like this way or that way. I'm kind of on the fence about it. And then there's things like no way, no how. Say that you have this outfit that you had in your closet for years, and you're supposed to go to an 80s party, and it's a great 80s party outfit, but it's now 2022 and the party that you were supposed to go to was in the 90s, and you still have that outfit in your closet, and you're never going to wear it, and it's just taking up space, and that there might be an opportunity just sometime in the future where you might then say, I need this, I'm going to wear it. But that's never going to happen. Go ahead and get rid of that outfit. Now, the second reason is going to be that now you do have categories. You have put everything that you want to organize into a category. You have broken it down into saying, these are important, these are very important, these are not so important, these are kind of maybe on the fence things that I need to do or need to organize or need to get rid of. And so now you have things in a category, you have them separated. You can step back and look at them and say, okay, am I sure about these things I have in this different category? But now you have a list of things to decide on. You have a list of things that you've kind of made the decision on. You have a list of things that are in categories that that those things go in and that they're good categories. And now you're going to review them. And once you review them, they're going to stay in those categories, and you're going to see which things are just really not that important and which things are super important to you, absolutely need to get done. Now think about this. A Foursquare helps you not only decide which things go in which category, but once you look back at those categories, it's going to help you make those decisions better, because you already know the things that you need to absolutely do and the things that you need that are just not important that you need to decide on. Hey, am I really gonna be focused on this thing? Maybe I'll put that on the other side of the back burner of the end of the year, and I'll think about it then. But right now, it's just not that important. And so now you're going through that list of things that are in that very important category. Which one am I going to do first? And then once you get through that and have those all in order, then you go to the next one. Which one is kind of bordering on the very important category, but is still important? I know I have to have it done. And then you go to the maybe kind of category, and you're trying to figure out, okay, does this go into escalation to the important category? Is it very important at the end of the day? Or is it just not something I need to worry about or do? And so you're going through and making those decisions. Now, if you are enjoying this video, then do me a big favor and share this video with somebody else. Now, think about this. You have made all these decisions about all these different things and put them into these different categories. And think about the fact that you've made all those decisions, and would you have made them as quickly if you had not used a Foursquare? And that's what I mean by that. It helps you make decisions faster. And now that you have all these things in these categories, you can make more decisions faster about what you need to do, what you need to focus on, what you need to accomplish. Now, a Foursquare is super important for making decisions, but the thing that I like about a Foursquare is it helps you figure out what things are most important to you, what you need to focus on, what you need to try to complete first. And that is just valuable to me, to anyone, because it's going to help you prioritize, not only make decisions, but help you find out what things you need to make a priority. Now, that is another one of the amazing benefits of having a Foursquare and doing it and using it for making decisions. Now, I do have another video about breaking things down even more, and you can see that video right here. Go watch that one.